So now that we know what rear gear we kind of need, we're gonna, yeah, Burnsy, that's it. Okay, so we're gonna get started.
More of a daycare.
It is more of a daycare here.
Remember this morning when he was mocking you?
Yes. Everybody mocked. It was hilarious. Anyway, back into serious mode. We have our Holley Retro Bright LED headlights. They're going to replace these halogens from the 1800s. So we're actually be able to see. So we'll get started on the installation of these. These are very nice. These are actually something, Wick actually got these for his GTO. And we put them in and it was like, holy crap. That's awesome. Like it's like a new Audi, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we're gonna pull these out and pretty much for the most part plug and play straightforward operation. So we'll get more into that here in a moment. Now Xander has, who makes that? Easy Performance?
Yeah.
He's got the LED tail light kit from, what do I call it? Easy Performance?
Yeah.
Easy Performance. Is that your mom's stage name? She's gonna kick my ass.
I would laugh. She just showed up one day and just fucking beat your ass.
Remember when I thought it was your sister and I told you to hook me up with her?
You did?
It was
I was like, what the fuck is wrong with you? That's my mom.
And I was like, damn, hook me up with your mom. But I'm just not gonna go any further with this.
Better leave it alone.
Yep, leave it alone. So Xander, show us the beautiful. I can't believe how much these cost because there's not really much to it. So this is for
300?
Oh, these were more than that.
Really?
Yeah, but so this is the LED kit. It's got backup lights, tail light, stop light, turn signal. You can set it up for sequential, which we will probably do. So we're gonna do our headlamps first, obviously because we have that part of the car in the shade. Then we're gonna flip the car around and we'll do the tail lights. And then I'm going to actually get with William because I did find the fog lights that he wants because he wants the legitimate Shelby style ones, which are killer.
Not Shelby.
No, like the real deal Shelby, not the...
Not gay Shelby?
What?
Not gay Shelby?
No, like 67 Shelby.
Oh.
The Lucas ones.
But
the
that's
correct
not-
ones.
That's not a Shelby.
No, but that's the kind of light he wants. So we'll probably get those and get LEDs for him. So it'll be very nice. So now we need to be careful. Xander's unwrapping. And we're just gonna demonstrate. It is plastic instead of glass, so you need to be kind of careful. Kind of don't want to leave these sitting outside or anything.
Nope.
Because they'll fog up like a new car. But it's pretty straightforward, pretty plug and play. So we're gonna start by taking that out and we're gonna get one of these in. So we've got our trim rings off. And funny, this one was a flathead, and Xander, you said yours was a Phillips.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see there was not much attention to detail paid by whomever put this together. So, if you guys never pulled a headlight, a sealed beam headlight out before, usually the rounds have, oh, good idea, getting the light. See these screws? 1, 2, 3. You don't really have to pull those out all the way. You can just loosen them and then rotate the bezel, and it'll come right out. And then you can pull your bulb out, unhook the wiring, and go from there. All right, so Xander's getting that side out. I got this side out already. Super easy. Very straightforward.
Unless you're retarded.
Yeah, because sometimes, well, you know, they have different kind of screws like yours said. Yours had different screws again.
2 Phillips and 1 flathead.
Weird. This side was all Phillips, so this side was easy. All right, so driver's side is mounted. Xander's finished up the passenger side. This is looking good, man. They look really nice. Real nice. It's a nice. Okay, so getting ready to do the bezels. And Xander's like, hey, this isn't going. So I come over here and look at it. And there's like silicone goop all over the little clip for the screw for the bezel. Cute. And the bezel doesn't fit because somewhere prior down the road, instead of fixing it right, someone glued it. So I was like, oh, we'll pull the other one apart and see what's going on that side. And of course, the glue decided to say sayonara on that side too. Look at that. So we're gonna get these back in. We'll probably end up having to glue them, which will be fine. So before we do that, we can at least demonstrate the lights in action because they're hooked up. Do you want to go turn the lights on?
Probably.
All right. You pull the thing out. Woo!
I can feel that.
That's pretty bitchin', eh? Look at that. Good God. Okay, now hit the high beam switch on the floor.
Oh.
You know the thing? You're 17, I know. Back in the day, that shit didn't exist.
That's way back there. Hold on.
Yeah, you gotta like open the door and actually sit in it.
Next to the clutch, right?
Yeah, to the left of it.
I hate it.
That was probably the parking brake. A little round metal thing on the floor.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there they go. Hit it again. High beam. Yeah, that's high. Hit low. Low. High. God. You're going to be able to see into the future with these. This is great. All right. Perfect. Nice.
Telling you to hit the high beam when I already did.
Well, I didn't see it. Sorry.
Pay attention.
You're the only person in your age group that knows what their high beam switch is.
Fair enough.
All right. Pretty much mission accomplished. We're going to glue these in, let it set up, and we'll finish that off. No big deal. So while that's setting up, we'll probably turn the car around and work on the taillights.